She'll make a little money stretch for her, like when she goes to the supermarket, she'll buy like meat and then she go to the market and buy like cabbage and callaloo. So she'll stretch the meat along with the vegetable.
By doing it herself, so when the house needed painting, she learned how to paint and she did it.
If a chicken back we have to eat, we'll curry it today, stew it tomorrow.
Prior and lots of tin food.
Jamaican mothers are different because they instill good values in their kids.
Jamaican mom, they really just, they have a love for family and a love for their kids, and they, you can see that right through.
They build a community for each other and they take care of other people's children. They take care of everyone's kids.
I'm going to use the Multilink card definitely to take her to dinner. That's what I'm going to do.
To purchase a gift basket.
I'm gonna treat my mom with my Multilink card by buying her some skincare.
I'm going to use my Multilink card to take my mom to dinner.